this is Randy again for this SaveJamaica.com movement. Yes, you see me come back to Jamaica again now. I already know the man here. This is the king of Manchester, right? So Baba we call him. Baba, you tell me, say, this food you cook for me right now. This food, yes, sir. No meat, no night.
No, man, I'm 100% vegetable. That.
Did you use any pesticide on any of these subjects here?
No, sir. No pesticide.
So
Onion, pepper, garlic, carrot, cabbage, and pop chop.
This?
Yeah, with a little bit of coconut.
Was it coconut oil?
Coconut oil. They call it vegetable oil. Little bit of vegetable oil. Because I don't use a lot of oil. I fancy oil.
Tell you, Jamaican, you see the breadfruit now? Did the breadfruit come from your field? Where did the breadfruit come from?
Yeah, man. I pick my breadfruit off of my tree. Yeah, man, I have my breadfruit, that man.
Jamaica, I just want to show you how life is. You must not follow the people them all over the world. Come back home and why, I want to tell the people why they must. Randy always attack. Me want you to seriously have a chance to want you to stop what you're doing. Have a chance to talk to the people them abroad. You're a farmer how many years? Why should they come back home, buy them land, start from here? Why should they come? Why go into the world? As a king, talk to your people then.
Why go into the world? Right now, to all the world around now, Jamaica are the best place here in the man. Jamaica, because the natural food alone, your life more healthy, your body more preserved. No chemical. You can't live in Jamaica, you don't have to eat no pharma chemical food. As long as you decide to go. Healthy. Vegetable.
How old are you?
Me? I'm 60.
You're 60.
Yeah, man.
You know work out?
No, sir.
You don't do yoga?
Right. No.
Do you take any pills?
No.
You have any arthritis?
No.
You have any diabetes?
No.
You have any cancer?
No, sir.
Your foot hurt you?
No.
What happened to your shirt, Baba? Didn't want to the shirt.
No, man. That man a jungle is in the hills, man. So you man you got a jungle can wear no pretty shirt.
How many yams? Let's say yam, you call it yam head. How many yam hill you have if you can count them approximately?
Jesus. How much?
Yeah.
No, I can't tell you that, man. It's numberless. I don't know the amount of yam I have. I never count it yet.
Are you respected in the community of Norway as one of the grandmaster of the planting? At what age you start?
Right now, me a #1 farmer in Manchester. In Norway, I said no. We plant enough this year in Manchester. In Norway. I not say Manchester, no, me say.
No.
In Norway. We plant enough this year.
A yellow yam you plant only?
Yellow yam, yeah.
Only?
No, I plant sweet yam. And I plant nigger yam. And right now, I am running close to 200 root a plant. You see plant put them up a kitchen there? I mean plant them, plant them.
Plantings?
Planting.
You have about 200 trees?
Yeah.
Plantings?
Yeah. Banana can't count. I don't know how much banana root I plant.
How many acres of land you farm on? About 10, 15, 30?
We have, right now, we depend, we depend on a piece of land now where I running about 10 acres.
And are you one farm it?
Yes, man. But